Hi everybody, it's me, Mike Celestino from laughingplace.com, and I've got a couple of Disney Pixar Cars Glow Racers from Mattel boxes that were sent over to us by our friends at Disney Products for us to check out and share with you and open up and see what's inside. So this is a Glow Racers 4-pack featuring 4 different characters from the car franchise. They all glow in the dark, according to this part of the packaging right there. And on the back, we can see there are 4 characters included, including Mater. That's Tow Mater, who you know from Cars. Dinoco Cruz Ramirez. Cruz Ramirez, I believe, was introduced in Cars 3, and this is the Dinoco version of her. Then you've got the Lightning McQueen, who is the central protagonist of the Cars franchise, and Will Rush, which is a character that I am not familiar with. Let me look up and see where Will Rush is from. Okay, so I checked the Cars wiki, and Will Rush is also from Cars 3. So that's the first box of what we got there from the Disney Pixar Cars Glow Racers. And then we also got a larger box that has one major character in it. It's the Transforming Mack Playset, which you can open to tune up, and it also glows in the dark, according to the package. Very cool looking. Let's see the back here. Transforming Mack Playset, press to activate Guido. Lightning McQueen is not included, though he is pictured on the packaging here. Thankfully, we have the Lightning McQueen from the other box that we can use to demonstrate how the Transforming Mack playset will accommodate Lightning McQueen. Store and Go is another feature here. Looks very, very cool for Cars fans. I'm going to go ahead and open this one up first. So let's pop this baby open. And inside, you can see those 4 characters: Will Rush, Lightning McQueen, Dinoco Cruz Ramirez, and Tow Mater. They are attached via these little strings on the bottom and some tape. So I'm going to pop them out of here, and we'll take a look at each one individually. Okay, I got them each out of the package. I'm going to remove these excess rubber strings from the wheel housings here. Great, so those are the 4 characters that were in that 4-pack with the packaging removed. Let's take a look at the classic Lightning McQueen number 95. First, there he is on the top with his Rust-eze branding, his Rust-eze advertisements, as you see in the Cars franchise films and the TV series and the parks. Very nice looking Lightning McQueen. There's the undercarriage, yellow wheels. We are going to see, I'm going to figure out a way to show you how these all glow in the dark before the end of this video for sure. Here's Tow Mater. He's got his headset on for a race day. He also has the Rust-eze branding. So special for him when he's on the Rust-eze racing team. This is not your standard rusted brown Tow Mater look. There's the bottom, and he's got yellow wheels this time as well. The open hood. Dinoco Cruz Ramirez, there's the top. Number 51 with the Dinoco dinosaur on the side there. There's the front of Cruz. Dinoco, of course, first appeared in Toy Story. It's the gas station where Woody and Buzz go on the way to Pizza Planet. And I believe it is a parody of the Sinclair gas stations that I see here around Southern California, which has a dinosaur for its logo. And Sinclair, of course, became the name of the last name of the dinosaur family in the show Dinosaurs. I believe that is also a reference to the gas station. Vinyl Toupee is the branding on Will Rush, number 76. There's the front. There's the back. And the bottom. That's all 4 of those. And up next, we've got Mack, the big Mack truck. I know him from the movies, of course, voiced by John Ratzenberger, but I also know him from the Paint the Night Parade at Disneyland Resort. He was a big part of that. Let me figure out how to open this, and we'll take a look at everything that's inside Mack. Okay, so this is what Mack looks like when you first take him out of the box. Here's the front side. That familiar character from the Cars franchise. He's got an illustration of Lightning McQueen on his side. Medicated Rusty's bumper ointment rear end formula. Lightning McQueen number 95 piston cup. There's the other side, same illustration. And then on the back, you've got Lightning McQueen 95. Here's the bottom side. Mack has green wheels this time. Now let's see, you can open up. Okay, so there's a little switch here that allows you to open up the side and the back ramp. Oh, and that side comes folding down as well. Inside, you've got little Guido with the stack of tires behind him, and he's ready to do some maintenance work on Lightning McQueen. There's a number 95 here. I think this is going to launch Lightning. We'll demonstrate that in a moment. There's a Rusty's logo there. On the back wall, it says Night Racing Paint Shop, with some paint canisters and wax and tools there. There's a gas pump here that can raise and lower, and there's a little buffer that can spin around there a little bit manually and raise up and down on that side of the wall. Let's see. Oh, okay. Let's see how Lightning fits there. So he would drive up the ramp here and sit here on that platform. Then you press him down and Guido spins around doing his maintenance work on Lightning. So here's the instruction manual. As always, I should have looked at this first because it does tell you about that switch that allows you to open the side and back panels of Mack there. Glows in the dark, and then buff and fuel up. It's telling you about those features. Drive up to the stack of tires, press down your racer to activate Guido's tire change action, which we just showed you, and then lock launcher to load racer and press to launch. So let's try that part out next. Okay, let's demonstrate this launcher here. Let's move these other cars out of the way. Scoot Mack back a little bit here. And let's see, Lightning McQueen's going to drive up right here. He's going to back down this ramp up to the launcher, and then he presses this back like that. Make sure he's situated right, and then we press down on this 95. Oh, and Lightning McQueen launches into the race. So that works well. And then it says to close up Mack here, you have to make sure that buffer is in the down position, which it is, and you just fold up these panels here. Well, but first we can drive Lightning McQueen up the ramp. He can sit there for transport, and we fold up the side and the back like that. And Lightning McQueen is ready to be transported to the next race with his friend Mack the truck. Okay, and I promised I would find a way to show off how these glow in the dark, so I brought you into a dark room here. And here is Will Rush glowing in the dark. Here's Mater glowing in the dark. Here's Cruz Ramirez glowing in the dark with her Dynaco branding there. And there is Mack. You can see the wheels. You can see part of the Lightning logo. Let's open up his side. And inside, I made sure to supercharge the lighting. I put Lightning McQueen here in the sun for just a couple minutes, and look how much he's glowing. The others have faded by now, but if you really just sit him in the light, some nice bright light for just a couple minutes, you get a nice glow on him. Okay, that's everything that came with these 2 boxes of Disney Pixar Cars Glow Racers. So you had the 4-pack of characters and the Mack Playset. Very, very cool from Mattel. And just to demonstrate a couple of the other features here, I've got Will Rush back here. He's going to get some gas from the gas tank. And he's going to get a little buffed here by the buffer as he drives through. And then, as a last little feature, let's launch Cruz Ramirez into the race here. My name is Mike Celestino. Thanks so much for watching. This is Disney Pixar Cars Glow Racers from Mattel. Thank you so much to our friends at Disney Products for sending these over. Here we go.